for the wonderful gift. And today I want to unbox the gift for you people and just watch it out and tell me how it is. Okay, thank you. So I'm going to show you. This is the gift you guys see. Okay? The G-Pass. G-Pass, you know, it's a wonderful company. You can it's the application of G-Pass and you can download your G-Pass application. There are so many accessories you can have there. G-Pass 4-in-1 food processor. Model is the GSV 9890. Oh my god, this is blend the taste of the goodness. Stainless steel filter, blade, 60mm wide speed tube, safety interlock, 1500 ml jar, and one of the most important, powerful copper motor is 600 watt. Wow, this is wonderful. Now there is guarantee also. No, not guarantee, in fact, warranty for 2 years. The man said nothing, and this then has been awarded with super brands. Yes. Very good. So let's see what's there. There is juicer, blender, mill, mixture for one. Okay. 2 speeds and pulse rotation piano switch control. Okay. AC motor, safety interlock. Okay. 1500 ml plastic jar adding cap. 900 ml plastic mixture cap, 300 ml plastic dry milk cup, stainless steel filters black, circular feed tube 60 mm, safety switch lock clamps, and AC current type of this one is 220 to 240 volts. You can join this company also on the Facebook. www.facebook.com/G-Pass-special. It's a very nice company for I know this answer. I think it's going to be wonderful. Let's see. Just unboxing it for you before I didn't open it yet. So let's see what's inside. First thing is this is from Appliance. Your name is the warranty card. Okay, thank you for the warranty card. Okay. G-Pass 4-in-1 food processor. This is the catalog. This is for those people who don't really know how to operate these electronic processors. I really done it before, so I don't need it. This is okay for it. Okay. Let's start from here. This one I really need it. Speed. Okay. What else I will show you? This is the most important thing. First thing. Another one. Next one. It's a small one, I think, probably. Or medium one, I can open this one. Okay. Here comes the machine. Again, one more. I don't need this. Even I don't need box. So, here is the device. You can check it out. It's the machine. Looks very strong and nice. Let's open it. I don't need it. This one is wonderful. Okay. This is one when you put the electrolyte or anything like that, we just press it on. Nice. Okay. Nice. It's good. It's a black and white. Wow, this GPS. Wonderful. It's plastic, the transparent plastic, then white, this like cream color, this black. Oh my god, it's wonderful for having 4 buttons: the reset button, the chooser button, and the mixer button, and the power button. Nice. electric panel, you need to attach it electric. Ah, there is one spoon also. Thank you for the one spoon. And read it. Okay, thanks. See, this house cool. Wow, this is the smallest one. Okay, now we'll prepare how it will work. This is a wonderful machine. It's looking very nice. Okay, here, sorry, here. That's the one. Just with the lid. Okay. And then the check. Okay, how to open this one? Okay, like this. Yeah, this smaller here. This is the most probably the smallest one here. That's good. I think this kind of mix of like, you know, like masalas kind of things, chilies, corianders, and you can mix them for your marinating any kind of fish or anything. Okay, so here. Okay, let's see. Nice. I'm in 1,500. It's mentioned on the, if you see this company is, whatever they mention on the box is inside also you. So you can see this 4 options here. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 options here, including 2 spoons. The small mixer spoon, the big mixer spoon, also on the big jack having exactly what we mentioned on the carton is shown here is 1,500 ml. Out. Then the maximum here 500 ml, the medium one, and the smallest one with somewhere around 250 ml. Okay. Let's see like this. G-Plus again. I hope you will like this video of unboxing this 4-in-1 mixer, and I appreciate my channel. And oh my god, everything here. This is capsule, but actually it's not capsule. Inside there is tank present. Okay friends, I hope you like my video and you share with your other friends, and do subscribe my channel, and I hope you will get some more scientific instruments in the future to be unboxed, and wait for the lid man. I'm coming. Take care, have a nice day. Bye bye. Hello everyone, I hope you people are doing great, and I hope you are enjoying your weekend and enjoying your flight. Okay, so today I am here to discuss you was one of the most important thing that today I met one of my best friend, and after 6 years, before he was an excellent and best friend, and he was also my customer, and he used to come in the pharmacy, at the pharmacy almost 6 years ago, and today I was just doing the shopping and grocery shopping in one market, and he suddenly got met up with me, and when he got me, immediately he recognized me, and I was so happy that he recognized me after 6 years. It's a long time, it's not a small time, and he really appreciated it, and he said, where are you since long period? And I said, I was shifted from that pharmacy to other pharmacy, so that's why I was not keep in touch with you, because while I was in the pharmacy, I was just residing behind the pharmacy, and he just met up with me first time after 6 years. He was just doing some shopping at that supermarket, same supermarket which I was doing the grocery shopping, and when we met up, he was so happy that he met with me. And now he got my mobile number, so he said, oh, now we will stay in touch every time, every week, hopefully. So he liked the fact in that fact, and he given me one gift on the United Day, and I want to share and show you the gift which I received from him, and I hope that you will also like that gift, because gift even costs 1 dirham or 100,000 dirhams is gift, and it's very important and very nice. I was so much thankful to Mr. Very much best friend that you're very such a nice person, and thank you for the wonderful gift. And today I want to unbox the gift for you.